the best pear recipe you've ever seen. To start, in a bowl, add 3 whole eggs, 150 grams of sugar. Using a whisk, mix everything very well. Pour in 80 grams of melted butter and mix again. Next, add 180 milliliters of milk and mix once more. Now, sift 300 grams of all-purpose flour and 5 grams of baking powder directly into the bowl. Mix everything until you get a smooth batter. The batter is already looking beautiful. Slice 3 whole pears. And after slicing, cut them into small cubes. Then, fold the pears into the batter and mix gently. Grease a pan with butter and pour in all the prepared batter. With the help of a spatula, spread the batter evenly. Place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Once baked, dust powdered sugar on top to taste. And just like that, in a simple way, our delicious pear cake is ready. The flavor is simply magnificent, and I'm sure you'll want to make it again and again. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you liked it, don't forget to like our video. Not subscribed to the channel yet? Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our creations. See you next time.